AutoCAD has three main areas: the top area, the middle area, and the bottom area. The top area has the biggest component, the ribbon. It comprises of menus and the tool palettes like draw, modify, layers, etc. This is the middle area, which is the area where the objects are drawn using various commands, and the commands can be typed. The commands can be seen at the bottom, the command prompt. It is not required to go to the command prompt and type it there. The current version of AutoCAD provides you a facility wherein if you have your cursor anywhere in the drawing area and if you start typing, it will start typing it in the command prompt, which is a very good feature which has come over the period of time as AutoCAD has evolved. On the left hand side, you will see layouts. The another important aspect, which is the toggle keys, which are available on the status bar on the right side bottom. You can invoke them using, or if those are not visible, you can customize with these three uh, icon, small icon on the right and bottom, where you can customize and make them on or off, and you can toggle them with various function keys. We will look at these are very useful, like ortho mode, snap, and such kind of toggle keys are useful while drawing the objects in the drawing area. Happy learning. A strong understanding of the AutoCAD user interface is essential for professionals and students who use AutoCAD regularly. Mastering the interface allows users to navigate the software confidently and increases overall productivity. By efficiently using tools and customizing workspaces, students can focus more on accuracy and design aspects of the project and assignments than a software mechanics. AutoCAD is an industry standard software and is continuously evolving. Hence, having a good grasp in AutoCAD user interface can help users adapt to new features and stay ahead of competition. In my personal experience, getting a big picture of different parts of the user interface helped me become more productive and helped me get over the overwhelming and confusing AutoCAD interface it could look like for a beginner. Let us take a look at all the major parts of the user interface. There are three main sections: the top section, the bottom section, and the drawing area or the graphics screen. Start screen. The start screen in AutoCAD is a central launch point for users, providing quick access to recent files, learning resources, templates, insights, and other resources. The start screen interface simplifies the process of starting new projects or returning to ongoing work through new and open buttons. This initial interface speeds up workflows and encourages users to explore AutoCAD's latest capabilities. You can create various templates and use them. You can go and look at online help and communities and customer support, etc. Then comes the top section. In AutoCAD, the top section comprises of application button, quick access toolbar, title bar, info center, ribbon, file tabs. Application button. The application button, or the big red A button at the low top left corner, is a central element of the user interface. It is mainly used for file related operations and program settings. Some of the features include new, open, save, save as, import, export, publish, etc. The quick access toolbar on the top is a customizable toolbar that provides immediate access to frequently used commands such as new, save, share, etc. Title bar, which is at the top middle portion, that provides the version of AutoCAD and name of the AutoCAD file that you are currently working, the file name which is there, and AutoCAD Mechanical 2026 written there. Info Center. Info Center is the next area to the title bar. The info bar provides or info center provides help and support resources in AutoCAD. It includes search commands, Autodesk account, Autodesk app stores, stay connected, help and Autodesk assistant. Ribbon is the most important area which is typically used most of the time, or I would say 80% of the time while drafting or drawing. The ribbon area organizes various tools and palettes. There are various things like home or insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, output, etc. as the menu bars. File tab provides the files which are currently open. The first tab will always be the Start tab by default. This tab makes it easier to switch between drawings and helps create a new one by clicking the plus sign. The bottom section has Model or Layout tab, Command line, and Status bar. The Model or Layout tabs are used to toggle between model and layout. Click on one of the layout tabs to go to the paper space and click back to model to go to model space. Here you can see how the drawing would look like on a particular layout that you have chosen. Command line is another important part at the bottom where the commands which are used are shown. The command line or command palette is used to input commands and receive results or feedback. You can simply start typing the command prompts. There is no need to click inside the command line to type the command. You can click on Ctrl plus 9 to show or hide it. Another useful shortcut is F2, which can be used to see the list of previous entered commands. Status bar. The status bar provides quick access to drawing settings and displays current drawing information. Another important aspect which is the toggle keys which are available on the status bar on the right side bottom. These are very useful like ortho mode, snap, such kind of toggle keys are useful while drawing the objects in the drawing area. It shows coordinates, displays the current cursor location in the drawing. It used to switch between model space and paper space. You can toggle the grid in the drawing area. You can restrict cursor movement at certain intervals using snap mode. Automatically applies geometric constraints to object is the infer constraints button. Dynamic input displays command prompts and input options near the cursor. Ortho mode that constrains cursor movement to horizontal or vertical directions. Polar tracking guides cursor movement along specified angles. Isometric drafting. This enables isometric drawing and which is a 2D representation of a 3D drawing. Object snap tracking tracks the cursor from object snap points. Then you have 2D object snapping, line weight, transparency, selection cycling, dynamic UCS, which is automatically assigns the UCS with the interface or face of the 3D object, selection filtering, annotation visibility, auto scale, workspace switching, units, quick properties, isolate objects. These are the various things which are available on the status bar. Then comes the area which is called as drawing area or graphics area. This has got various things like drawing area, navigation bar, UCS, and the selection cursor will appear or the WCS icon will appear on the right hand side. UCS is a user coordinate system. It is located in the bottom left corner of AutoCAD. Unlike the WCS, which is World Coordinate System, the UCS can be changed by the user to align with the specific parts of the drawing or for the requirements of drafting.